This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
Shaun Uys, head of replacement commercial tires at Continental. Thank you so much for joining us today. And I want to start here. When I see one of those road Gators, you know, one of those tire casings out on the highway, is that a retread tire?
More often than not, no, it isn't. When you do a retread, you know, you shave it off, and that's a brake package that you see. So when you see something that's got like spiky edges on it, that's most probably the brake package included in it. And no, that is not normally a retread. It's something else.
And where do you think that kind of myth comes from, that, you know, people assume that that was a retread that failed at some point?
I think it's the misconception that, you know, going back many years on retreading, a complete misconception, because, you know, when you go and re-put the tread on the package, you don't touch the breaker belt, so that should not separate itself. And a well-managed process and a well-cured retread should be as good as what the original tire is. So that's just a complete misconception about the retread industry. Maybe it's just a misconception based on the process perception by people, but no, it is not retreading.
Yeah, maybe. Now, obviously, you know, over the years, retreading has come a long way. And even today, you know, a lot of fleets are getting multiple retreads out of a single casing. So how is Continental ensuring that those fleets are going to be able to do that going forward?
Well, we've got in our tire range what we call a 3G casing, and it's normally a little bit wider. And that just gives us a better footprint and a better platform in order to rebuild this retread or reuse the casing and the breaker packages. So we've got the retread 3G casing, which is in our long haul tires, in our construction tires, in some of the trailer tires that pretty much are in the retread world. So yeah, we basically work on the casing, and we've done a lot of work on our casing in order to retread it as many times as what you can. So the better you look after it, the better you maintain your pressure inside it and avoid heat inside the mechanics or the buildup of the casing, you should be able to retread that thing many times. And our answer to that is then the 3G casing, which is slightly wider than the standard casing.
Very interesting. And so, of course, you know, you mentioned this really cool 3G casing. What are some of the other technologies that Continental has implemented, whether it be, you know, on the factory floor or elsewhere, that is helping ensure that, you know, those fleets are successful with those retreads?
You know, it's about the breaker package. It's about how to try to maintain your road surface at a perfectly flat angle. It also the recipes on the cushion gum that does the adhesion to it. You got your curing cycles that sit inside the chambers in order to best optimize that. And then also the buff angles on how you buff it in such a way that you can replace the tread on top of it and make sure that it is perfectly secured in in an environment that's not contaminated. So there's all of that, which is relatively, you know, part of the process, part of our 3G casing concept. And then there's the other thing where you have other certain mechanisms. For example, shearography, where you can look into the casing. It basically shows you trapped air inside it, and a couple of other that could lead to deficiencies. And that's also now well progressed. And even some of it, you know, using certain AR, you can pick it up relatively easy just by putting this into an AR model, and comes out. So it's about protecting the casing as much as possible, putting the technologies into the casing so that you can use it repetitively, and then making sure that you manage your process through the retread. And you should be able to then have as good as a new tire, even though it's a retread reused, and great for the environment and the cost of the fleet.
I've gotten to see with my own eyes at one of your retread centers, some of this technology that goes into it. It really is mind-blowing how many checks and balances there are on these casings to ensure that, you know, a safe product is going out, and one that, you know, to your point, that's going to save the fleet some money down the road. Now, if a fleet is on the fence as far as, you know, I'm not sure that retreads are for me, what is the tire dealer's job in that case? How do they explain to that fleet, beyond the cost savings, that what are some things they might want to explain to convince them that no, you should really try this?
Well, if you keep buying new tires all the time, and with the latest technologies on the treads, that go onto the retreads. You're getting on some stages comparable mileage, except you're reusing the casing. The cost of a casing is a huge cost inside the production of a tire. So if you can use that thing 3 or 4 times and only put a tread on the top of it, that is really a no-brainer. We have various cost calculators in order to demonstrate that to the fleet. So if there is a fleet on the edge, feel free to get a hold of a dealer, or any dealer. Conti dealer would be great, and we can show you the benefit of bringing it. It is significantly cheaper, a little bit more complex, where you have to manage the casing and manage the process a little bit better. However, the cost savings are really significant in regard, if you have a proper tire program, including retread and retreading it multiple times.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely worth it, especially from that cost perspective. Absolutely. Yep. Shaun, thank you for joining us on What's Trending today. I appreciate it.
No, it's an absolute pleasure. Anytime. Good talking to you.